Hello traders, let's look about the trading opportunities today, November 21, 2034. So let's go from the major currency pairs to gold and then Bitcoin, all the cryptos. So let's go to the Forex pair. First Euro USD. So Euro USD at the support level. In the higher time frame, it was just falling from the lower high. So if you look at the daily time frame, it is at the support. This is the support, and even if you look at the smaller time frame like 1 hour, so USD is just simply moving between the support and resistance levels. And pound USD also doing the same. It's also the support level, and not at the support, not only at the horizontal support, also at the higher low area. Pound USD might have more chances to rise up, but still the US dollar is very strong, so you should have to be careful on dealing with these pairs. So Aussie USD, this is the pair which didn't fall much because it reaches the higher low and tried to rebound. It didn't make much bigger movement. So it didn't make much more bigger movement. It should have to fall, but it still didn't fall. If you look out Euro USD, it fell down, and Pound USD, it also fell down. You can see Pound USD also fell down to the recent resistance of support. New Zealand USD, it's trying to move down, but still it is at the consolidation zone. And then USD Japanese yen, well, it made a good correction today. Gold, it's completely moving up. However, you should have to, okay, we check out for the opportunities here. So after hitting this previous support, which acted as a new resistance, gold just went down around 2,500 points, 400 points. However, it breaks the high and then it's trying to move up. So let's see how long the gold can move up. Well, it reaches 50%. Gold might have more chance to fall from this level, or else it might fall from this 2,690 level, 690 to 2,700. This is the zone, the next zone to watch out for. So around 2,690 to 2,700. So this is a good selling area for gold. We can expect some bigger correction from here, at least like 4,000 to 5,000 points. So you can wait for gold to make a correction from here, or else you can wait for gold to make a correction from this area, 2,700. So wait and see. Well, it breaks all the highs and it starts to move up continuously. This week gold went up like 10,000 points, which is around 1,000 pips, solid 1,000 pips. But this is a very rare movement because it happens due to the US election. The gold fell down and then it trying to make a correction. So gold already made a 50% correction. So you should have to watch for gold to make continue a downward movement as possible. So wait for the gold to break this higher low. So if gold breaks this higher low, then you can sell. Otherwise, stay at the buy in gold. So if you place a buy over here, you'll be holding the gold now, and you might better you can close some of your trades if you have placed any trades at the lower low level of the channel around like 2540. So we told you to buy around this price, and if you're holding any of your trades from here, you can close some of your trades, like 50% of your trades or 60% of your trades, you can close at this current price, and then change your stop loss to entry, and the remaining target, just keep holding on. Silver is also following the same gold method, but silver looks like it's just consolidating. Silver is just consolidating. It is not even moving up or not even moving down. It is just consolidating. So if you look at the silver, it is at the support, trying to rebound, but gold rebounded 50%. However, silver didn't make any kind of rebounds. You can see it just made 35% and then falling back to 23. So if silver start to move up, it can rise until 60%, but silver didn't move. So this is what showing the strength of the dollar. So US dollar is more stronger right here. So that's why silver didn't move up. But gold is completely opposite. So you can see a correction on the gold. Silver no. USD Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc, it is at the 60% level, so we can expect some correction, or else USD Swiss franc also have chance to move up continuously. But if it falls, it might have chance to fall a little larger, a little more. So USD Swiss franc, we can keep USD Swiss franc as an opportunity for buying. It's just it made a 60% correction, but it still didn't reach 50%. So I think USD Swiss franc might have chance to make a correction over to this 50 level at least, or else it should have to keep moving up continuously to next to 75, just around 1,500 points. So wait for silver. Silver is currently consolidating around this 60 to 50 level, so keep waiting. And pound Swiss franc, it just hits the near to the support. Looks like good for buying, but in the long run, the long term, it is still consolidating. Only consolidation. So it is just simply consolidating. Pound Swiss franc and USD Canadian. Wow, USD Canadian is at the lower high, so we can at the resistance, which is retesting. So USD Canadian is good. Looks like good for what can I say? Good for buying. In this point of view, it is good for buying. But let's see the smaller view. So we don't know much about the smaller view, so we need to check about smaller view. USD Canadian. Yes, USD Canadian dollar looks like a good opportunity for buying, because it's just retesting the support, previous support as a resistance. So USD Canadian is good for buying, but if it falls, it can fall more. However, I think it's a little bit difficult to make a correction from here. Another view, I believe USD Canadian dollar still have chance to fall. Sorry, so still have chances to fall until this low level. So as per the price action strategy, USD CAD can make a correction. So you can check in the smaller time frame. USD CAD looks like trying to break the high, break the higher low, but still USD Canadian dollar at the just made enough correction, I think, counter trend correction. 3,700, 3,000 falls. I think we can expect another 800 points fall. It's possible on USD Canadian. So USD Canadian is actually good for buying. If it is a fake breakout this week, the USD Canadian should have to close below this level. I mean 1.39. Then it will be considered as a fake breakout. Otherwise, USD Canadian dollar is good for buying. USD Japanese yen, as I said earlier, it is still moving. We have a buy. We place a buy here and just holding on till 2332. Pound Aussie GBP AUD. It is just at the just falling, but it reached the support level. So pound out, you should not. Can I say pound out is not much clearer at the moment. But anyway, it is at the support, so we can expect pound out to reach 75. Yeah, pound out might have chance to continue to fall. It reaches a support, so I strongly believe the support instead of the Fibonacci. So pound out, we should be careful about selling. But it is in a downtrend now. In the smaller time frame, it is in a downtrend. You can see it is moving in a descending channel. So, but don't do anything for now. Pound Canadian dollar. So as we said, it was just falling after the breakout. So I told you to sell pound CAD at the high after 1.78. So now fell down around 2,200 points. So we can expect pound CAD to reach another 1,200 points down. It is possible. And next go for pound CAD and Euro Canadian. Euro Canadian also remains the same. Just retest our resistance. Yeah, I told you to sell again here because I think 3 days back Euro Canadian is exactly at this level. So we recommended sell because the old support level act as a new resistance. So the Euro Canadian dollar need to fall. So it felt like a very good move. It fell down very nicely. And the Euro GBP, it was just consolidating, still under consolidation only, not even moving in a channel or any other direction. It's just consolidating. That's it. Euro pound consolidation. Euro New Zealand also consolidating. Pound New Zealand is also consolidating. Over pound New Zealand had some levels, which is support and resistance. We can expect one more down. It's possible in pound New Zealand. But according to this, the line chart or the 50% correction, looks like pound New Zealand need to be a little bit careful about because it might give might give one more down. It is possible. Pound Aussie, it's very good. It's just consolidating. But as we said in the previous analysis, pound Aussie reached near to the support level, so you can expect more down. And then pound New Zealand. So pound New Zealand just remains the same. Pound out. The Aussie Canadian is just moving in a descending channel. Yes, descending triangle. It is just moving in a descending triangle. Aussie Canadian. So Aussie Canadian, is it good for sell? Yeah, I think it's good for sell. So Aussie Canadian also look like good as a buying opportunity because it reaches the higher low and trying to rebound. So Aussie Canadian, we can expect one more up. It's possible. However, it is just consolidating, so I'm not sure about Aussie Canadian. Well, Aussie New Zealand, it breaks the high resistance, so good for buying. Uh, good for buying, but it was just going to reach another maybe around another 350 points. So also Canadian. JPY, EuroCAD, gold. All the pairs are moving in the same way. So Bitcoin, it reaches 90,000. Well, it's nice to see Bitcoin at this level. So soon it will hit 100k. This is what the mindset of most of the crypto traders right now. 100k is the round number. So if you want to see, like, Bitcoin won't reach the round number all the time. It might reach the round number, or it might cross the round number, and then it will reverse. So Bitcoin is getting a reversal uh, confirmation very soon. Very soon you can see a big fall on Bitcoin. So keep focusing on Bitcoin for selling opportunity. Keep looking only for selling opportunity. Even if the Trump victory and Elon Musk victory, Bitcoin rises up like $30,000. Looks like a huge deal, but this huge deal doesn't matter, because even even without any kind of announcement, you can see in February month, Bitcoin went from $30,000, and then it made a big correction. You can see $23,000 down. Now it also made a big correction, like a big movement, $30,000. So soon we can expect a big correction. So don't think that Bitcoin will always make you like keep buying. Not like that. You should have to look for sell if it reaches around the round numbers, because this is where most of them start to sell. So most of the people, instead of holding, they start to sell around 100,000. But don't think that Bitcoin will reach $1 million. It won't happen anytime soon, because in order to reach the price, we need more and more volume. Let's say like from 100,000 Bitcoin. What is the value of the Bitcoin? It is actually not defined, because it's completely manipulated. So if you look at the market cap, Bitcoin is around $1 trillion, some $1 trillion.